This is how to find favorites a little quicker using text symbols. I'm going to save 3 banks and 3 pizza shops and then show you how the symbol thing works. So let's just save those favorites first. Go to categories. I'll do the banks first. I'm just going to pick 3 banks here. Okay, we will save that one. Save that one. Yeah, well, I don't want ATM. Yeah, there we go. And save that one. Check my favorites. Okay, I got those 3. And now let's do 3 pizza shops. Save that one. Save that one. Save that. Okay. So now I got 6 favorites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now the problem is when you're driving around. Now you put these into categories. I showed how to do the category thing, but this is kind of like a secondary way to do a category, where all you have to do is modify the name of the favorite and then add a text symbol at the end, and it's easier to search. I'll show you what I mean. So I will take the 3 of them. So this one right here, I will go and edit this favorite, which I can do. Just go to the name and I press space, and then this right here. Now it's different if you speak a different language, but in the United States for US English, I'm just going to add a $. Done. And then I'm going to do that for the other 2. And I'll show you why this matters. So there's the other bank. Oops. I will do the same thing. Add a space, go to the symbols, add a $. And by the way, this can be done with any nuvi, Drive, or DriveSmart. Okay, that's the second one, and there's the third one. Edit the name, space, symbol, $. Now, the deal is when I'm driving around and I'm at a stoplight and I need to really quick bring up quickly the banks that I have saved. I can go saved, search, symbol, $, search. Ta-da! One symbol search brings up everything I marked with that symbol, and that's great. Now let's do the same thing for the pizza stuff. Now the @ sign is the closest thing that looks like a pizza, so I'll just do that one. I'll edit this one, just like I did the other ones. Edit the name, space, symbol, @ sign. Now you can use any one of the, oops, let me go back. Okay. And you can use any one of these symbols. And this little world icon down here, you can change. It may prompt you to go to the language settings, but you can change to a different text set here if you want to. For example, if I go to British English, it actually brings up alternates. See this Alt key that wasn't here before, where I get these additional symbols if I want. But I'm just going to stick to the American English one, which does not have an Alt set, but does have this. Oh, I should show that other thing. If I go to British and I have the Alt, but I also have this, which gives me the pound symbol, for example, instead of the $. So that's how you would see that stuff. But anyway, back to English. Okay, so add a symbol, and I'll just use the @ sign here. So @ because it looks like a pizza to me. All right, back. Okay, so there's number 1. We'll do this one. This is also especially helpful if you forget the names of certain favorites. you mark a favorite, you haven't been there in a while, but you remember the symbol that you used. It's easier to remember one symbol than it is to actually remember the name of a place sometimes. Okay, let me just check my work here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right. So same thing, driving along, I run over to saved, I do a search, go to my characters, search for the @ and whoop, there they are. Now you'll notice that when I do a search, depending on how many you have, they will actually show up here where I don't even have to hit search. I can just choose from these 3, or go back and then go to the $, and it shows the 3 I had for that. So that right there is a different way of categorizing by text symbols.